Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Skinny TV. I'm here with another review. Spending money so you don't have to. Well, unless you want to. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Karan and thanks for tuning in. I just received my package from Luv Me Hair. I had ordered a headband wig and I'm just going through the box now to see everything that's in it. So here you will see that I'm pulling out the wig grip band, the wig itself, headbands, a mini carrying case, a wig cap, and the how to care for your wig instructions. So in the mini carrying case, you'll see it comes with a headband. It's a tieable headband. Extra elastic, some bobby pins, a hairpin, and then an edge brush and then tweezers. So now I'm going to show you the headbands that came with my wig. It's 5 in total, and that's the first one, second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth and final one. Now this is the wig grip band, and for this particular wig you don't necessarily need it unless you want that extra support or you don't like to use the clips that come with the wig. Now time for the actual wig itself. I'm taking the wig out of its safety net or the netting itself. This is the curl pattern of it, and that is a headband. It's very stretchy and it has Velcro. It smells kind of weird, so I'm definitely going to wash it before first use. And you just connect it back with the Velcro strip. And then these are the clips in it, and it has 4 clips, 2 on each side, 1 in the front and 1 in the back. This wig has such a beautiful curl pattern and it's very soft and easy to detangle. When I had first washed it, it definitely had a little bit of shedding, but nothing to be alarmed by. So now I'm just going to play with the curls, tease them a little bit before I wash them just to see how it is. And then I'm gonna go ahead to my hairstylist so she can shampoo and condition and braid down my hair. If you're in the Maryland, DC area and you're looking for a new hairstylist, definitely check out my girl Alexis. She's on Instagram at stylesbylex. Not sure if she's taking new clients right now, but definitely check out her page and look at all of her work. It's amazing. She does such a great job. Now that my hair is all braided down, I'm just gonna put the wig on now and see how I like it.
Thank you very much, darling. Oh, this is so pretty.
So because I didn't show how I put it on in the salon, I'm going to show you how I put it on when I got back home. And it's pretty easy application. And you just pull on the Velcro straps and connect it. And I am sorry that the back can't really see what I'm doing because of the hair. I didn't realize that the hair didn't go all the way up in the clip. But it's pretty easy, as you can see. And then you can part it and style it however you like. And then you can use any of the different headbands. So I'm going to test out just a few, just so you can see what it looks like. And you can wear it by itself, which is really cool. So I really like that. And it's actually kind of funny because a lot of people thought that that was my real hair, just because the headband gives that illusion like you're just pushing back your hair. So that's it. And this is the headband wig from Luv Me Hair. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.